The trial in the adulterated syrups affair, which caused the death of children last year in the Gambia, resumed Tuesday before the Banjul High Court. The families of the victims, grouped within the Aki Association, are awaiting convictions at the end of this trial, which was delayed in July and then postponed in October after the 5 defendants did not attend the hearing. Some 70 children aged 5 and under died in 2022 from kidney failure after taking the over-the-counter medicines. 19 plaintiffs are suing company Maiden Pharmaceuticals, local distributor Atlantic Pharmaceuticals, the Gambia Medical Controls Agency, the Ministry of Health and Attorney General Dauda Jallow to demand they admit that the children were killed by consuming contaminated medicines. Maiden Pharmaceuticals has denied the allegations. Families are also demanding about $230,000 per child in damages. According to the World Health Organization, lab tests found an acceptable amount of diethylene glycol and ethylene glycol, which can be fatal when ingested.